Hi everyone, I am back. You're going to be sick of the sight of me at the moment because I'm listing lots and lots of things up for sale. This is another double vintage journal pack, and this one I'm going to call Little Girls. And these are just adorable, great for Christmas presents. There are 2 journals in this pack and there are some other goodies as well. So let me show you the journals. These are here are the covers. Aren't they just beautiful? I just absolutely adore these images. They are just precious. So the first one has this gorgeous little girl sat down, and she's got lace, and the butterfly cardstock is just gorgeous. Then we have white organza ribbon, which is on both of them. And then inside we have one of my book plates pockets, and I've put some lovely lace trim on this page. Lovely book pages, a glassine bag, some lovely shiny glossy cardstock paper, I should say, with lace trim. I've also done some stenciling, got some old maps there, and this is also a pocket. Lots of coffee dyed paper, white in space, and then more coffee dye. Music pages, which there's a pocket there, more stenciling, old book pages, more coffee dyed, stenciled, and then there's that pocket there. I've left this so that you can actually put in things yourself and decorate it however you want for both of them. That's also a pocket there. And there's the bag and coffee dye paper, and that's the inside. So that is the first one. Get this done up if it doesn't take me too long to do. I have put some lace on both of them for edging to make them prettier. So that's the first one, and the second one has this other gorgeous little girl. It's fabric backed and then sewn all around, and then has this lace. And I really love this cardstock, which is like this craft card with these lovely images. White organza tie, eyelet enclosure, if I can get in. And then inside we have one of my book plate pockets. There's another little pocket there, and then there's a pocket there. There has a couple of pages that are lacy on the edges. Glassine bag, coffee dyed paper, one of my lovely fairy pages with some ruffle, lace ruffle, grid paper, coffee dyed. There's a pocket here. Oh, no, that's a flip, that one. And then coffee dyed. You've got a doily, some lovely pages in here. And lots of writing space, old book pages, lots of coffee dyed. Some coloured paper, some gorgeous book pages. That's another flip there. Some grid paper. Coffee dye, that's the bag. And then you've got a little pocket there as well. And that's the back. So that's the second journal. Oops, a daisy. I told you I'm rubbish at this. I really am. Doing up ribbons. This pack is £20, but that does include postage to the UK. If you're outside the UK, just let me know. And then here we have one of these pocket tags that you can stuff and decorate. One of my satin flower embellishments, and some lovely gorgeous applique lacy flowers there, and one of my crocheted flowers, a lovely fairy tag, and one of the photo slide tags that I've been making. I've been having so much fun making them, and I will be doing a video on how to make those. So that is the little girl vintage double vintage pack, and like I said, it's £20. That includes postage to the UK. So if you're interested, please leave a comment below or email me at stampinstilettos@gmail.com, and that will be in the description below. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.